York City. This is Connor Bowen from Storm Stories, updating about the blizzard in New York. It's raging 45-mile-per-hour winds, and blizzard-like conditions are not over yet. It's heading to Trenton, New Jersey. So far, 283 ships are reported lost, and 592 others are badly damaged. 20,252 people are homeless, and 166 perish. 562 have evacuated, and we ask all 29,000 others to leave now. There's been nothing like this blizzard before. Thousands of collapsed power lines. Hundreds of cars alone won't start due to the sleet. Even the keenest eye Sidemen couldn't see through 2 feet of this mess. This is going to take years to repair, even if all the executive branch was involved in this. I've seen hundreds, if not thousands, of trees broken and split in half. At 7 minus degrees here, it's not very pleasant here. All who are hearing this, get out now. We will remember this blizzard for centuries, if not millenniums of years. This cold front causing this blizzard will last for the very least days. Get out all unperishable food you have now. Get all drinking water and money you have. Get all coats and blankets now. It's not over yet, and it won't be over until days or weeks. This blizzard is even worse than 188. This is the nightmare of the weather forecaster. It's almost like an ice age here, and I ask all evacuators this: do not walk on foot, drive by car, fly by plane, go by train. I don't care, just get out of here now. This is Connor Bowen, Storm Stories 12.